G'day mates, today I've got something special for you. Imagine sleeping like a log and burning fat at the same time. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's possible with this simple bedtime elixir. Let's get into it. First off, why is deep sleep so crucial for us? When you hit that deep sleep stage, your body releases human growth hormone, or HGH. This little wonder promotes cell regeneration, muscle growth, and boosts metabolism. It helps repair muscle tissue after a workout, and even speeds up healing from injuries. More muscle mass, a faster metabolism, and fat burning, all while you're snoozing. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around. Now, to make this elixir, we need some chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is nature's ultimate relaxant. Not only does it help with stress, but it also calms your mind and body. It's packed with an antioxidant called apigenin. This binds to specific receptors in your brain, reducing anxiety and helping you drift into a deep, restful sleep. So you'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Next up, apple cider vinegar. This stuff is packed with health benefits. It lowers blood sugar levels, decreases insulin levels, and improves metabolism. Plus, it reduces fat storage and helps suppress your appetite. A double whammy for fat burning. Now, let's talk lemons. Lemons promote fullness, support hydration, and boost metabolism. They help detoxify your liver and blood, aiding your body in releasing toxins. This cleansing effect helps your metabolism work more efficiently. And let's not forget cinnamon. Cinnamon is a powerhouse of antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce the risk of heart disease, lowers blood sugar levels, and has anti-diabetic effects. But most importantly for us, it helps fat cells burn lipids, aiding in weight loss. All right, now for the magic recipe. Here's what you'll need. 1 chamomile tea bag, 12 ounces of water. Half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of organic apple cider vinegar, preferably with the mother, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Boil some water and steep your chamomile tea bag in it. Then add the apple cider vinegar, the cinnamon, and the juice of half a lemon. Let it sit for about 10 minutes to really let those flavors meld together. Drink this about 30 minutes before bedtime and you're set. These ingredients mixed with chamomile tea will stimulate your brain in a way that boosts metabolism and helps you burn fat while you sleep. Give it a go every night, and within a week, you'll notice a significant change. You'll sleep like a baby and wake up ready to conquer the world. So there you have it. Share this with your mates, leave your comments below, and most importantly, make every day a great one. Cheers!